Hello dears, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we will prepare a recipe for anti-wrinkles. For this recipe, we need onions. Benefits of onion for facial skin. And Wrinkle's anti-wrinkle and anti-aging effect onion is rich in vitamin C, vitamin E, and antioxidants, which protect skin cells from free radicals, helps reduce fine lines, and wrinkles boosts collagen production, keeps the skin firm, and youthful promotes skin renewal. The sulfur, compounds, and flavonoids in onion improve blood circulation in the skin. This helps regenerate new skin cells, make the skin brighter, and smoother, lightens dark spots and pigmentation. Onion juice has a natural skin brightening effect that helps fade dark spots and sun damage, even out skin tone, reduce pigmentation and blemishes, fights inflammation and acne. Onion contains quercetin, a powerful anti-inflammatory and antibacterial compound that reduces pimples and redness, prevents bacterial infection on the skin. Dear friends, please write in the comments which country you are watching our channel from. It is very interesting to know. We also need oranges for this recipe. Benefits of orange for the skin. 1. Rich in vitamin C, oranges are packed with vitamin C, which helps boost collagen production, making the skin firm, smooth, and youthful. 2. Brightens the skin. Orange juice or peel naturally lightens dark spots and pigmentation, giving the skin a radiant glow. 3. Fights inflammation and acne. The antioxidants in oranges help reduce inflammation, heal acne, and calm irritated skin. 4. Hydrates and refreshes. Orange juice provides natural hydration, leaving dry skin soft and refreshed. Anti-wrinkle benefits of orange. 1. Stimulates collagen production. Vitamin C is one of the best natural agents for reducing fine lines and wrinkles by improving skin elasticity. 2. Protects against free radicals. Antioxidants in oranges slow down aging, protecting skin cells from damage caused by pollution and UV rays. 3. Smooths and tightens the skin. Regular use of orange-based masks helps smooth wrinkles and make the skin firmer and more radiant. By the way, I used tangerines during the video shoot because I don't have any oranges at home right now, so you can use oranges. This recipe also requires tomatoes. Benefits of tomato for the skin. Brightens dull skin. Tomatoes are rich in vitamin C and antioxidants that help make the skin look fresh, glowing, and radiant. They naturally remove dullness caused by sun exposure and pollution. Controls oil and acne. Tomatoes contain natural acids, citric and salicylic acid, that help reduce excess oil and fight acne-causing bacteria. They also tighten pores and prevent blackheads, reduces dark spots and pigmentation. The natural bleaching properties in tomatoes help fade dark spots, acne scars, and uneven skin tone. Soothes sunburn and irritation. Applying tomato juice or pulp cools the skin and helps heal sunburn. thanks to lycopene, which protects against UV damage, makes skin soft and smooth. Regular use of tomato masks exfoliates dead skin cells, improves texture, and keeps your face feeling soft and smooth. Anti-aging and anti-wrinkle benefits. Rich in lycopene. Lycopene is a powerful antioxidant found in tomatoes that helps fight signs of aging like fine lines and wrinkles. Boosts collagen production. Vitamin C in tomatoes helps the skin produce collagen, keeping it firm and useful. Tightens and rejuvenates skin. Tomatoes help shrink pores and tighten loose skin, giving a naturally lifted and toned look. Dear friends, please write in the comments which country you are watching our channel from. It is very interesting to know. Tighten your face and look young. Use a makeup brush to apply to your face. This onion and tomato tightens the face and makes the skin smooth. And milk helps to remove age spots and dark spots. Take the time to use this to tighten sagging skin. Dear friends, please write in the comments which country you are watching our channel from. It is very interesting to know. It is good for both sensitive and normal skin. Smooths your face and removes pigmentation. You have to put it back in the fridge to preserve it, and make sure you take it out every day and apply it. And use it for 6 days to get rid of age spots. Apply the mask to your face and wait for 10 minutes, then rinse.